In this video, I want to show you how to set auto trading on Lunavio platform. When you log into your Lunavio account, you can already see two ready-to-launch templates which include predefined trading settings. But before you launch that, I would like you to know how to set a coin from the very beginning, so you will understand what's inside the settings. First, you need to make sure that your exchange is connected with Lunavio platform via API keys. If you don't have it connected yet, go to Add Exchange Account section, and here you will find a tutorial on how to do it. Now, if your API keys are connected, you need to make a little changes on the exchange itself. So if you selected BitUnix, go to Futures, select whatever coin you want, and go to Leverage Settings by clicking Cross, or maybe Isolated in your case. Now make sure that in Margin section you have Cross selected, and in Multi-Trade section you have to click Off. If you selected OKX exchange, go to Trade, Futures, select whatever coin you want, and make sure you have enabled Futures mode. If you have Spot instead, just click the setting icon to the right and select Futures mode. Now we are finally ready to set up auto trading on Lunavio platform. Let's go to Auto Trading section, and on the right side you can see your exchange account balance. If it shows 0, it's probably because you have your assets on spot account instead of futures or funding account depending on the exchange you use. You can quickly fix that by clicking Transfer in your exchange wallet and move your assets to the proper account. Now we need to set our strategy deposit, meaning how much money is available for Lunavio for trading. Click Set Deposit, and in this case I want to use everything I have on my exchange. Now let's click a switch to the left to turn on the strategy. Now, as we are ready to add coins to it, let's click Configure your first strategy. As you can see, we are moved to the Settings section, and here you need to click Add a coin to Lunavio strategy. Now let's select the coin you want to add, for example Solana, and from here you can use one of the predefined templates or configure coin from the scratch, and this is what we want to do right now. It's time to set parameters and triggers for opening position. You can find more information about every parameter by going to Tutorials section and watching the video about backtests where this topic was explained in detail. For now, let's just keep it simple, so in Template section you can choose one of the predefined template from the previous step. Next, you need to choose leverage level based on your own experience and the risk you're ready to face. For the backtest mode, I keep it turned off. It means a strategy will search for entry opportunity every 1 second, and if a backtest mode is enabled, it works on 1-minute candles. In position direction, you can set if you want to open both long and short position or just one direction. I also keep 15 minutes interval and intra-candle for the entry moment. Intra-candle means we work inside the current candle and analyze the market every 1 second. On the candle close, however, strategy wait for the 15-minute candle to close and then analyze if there's entry opportunity. Cooldown period means how much time we wait after closing a position before analyzing entry opportunities again. Now it's time for the first trigger, which is Bollinger Band, and which means by what percentage a candle needs to break upper or lower band to open a position. Then we have multi-coin setting, meaning how many positions can be opened at the same time. And in coin selection policy, let's keep it at first arrived, meaning that position will be opened for the first coin that meets our conditions. Then we have second trigger, which is RSI, so in this case position will be opened only if candle escapes Bollinger Band by 0.3% and RSI is above 70 for short position and below 30 for long position. Third possible trigger is stochastic RSI, and once again set values for long and short positions, for example 80 and 20. But in here we also need to select confirmation type. Oversold and overbought zone works the same like RSI, so the value needs to be within the range. Cross-setting, however, is our next possible trigger, meaning stochastic RSI needs to be within our range and we need to have crossing lines. Now you need to set position size and take profit value. You could also set multiple entries for this position, which, as I said before, is explained in detail in a backtest tutorial. But for now, let's keep it simple and just use one entry. The last step we need to do is to set stop loss, and finally we can click Save Configuration. Now, as you can see, even if strategy is turned on, Solana is disabled. It's because after adding a new coin, you need to manually launch it, so click on this disabled button, and you can see that now it's active and it's looking for entries. Now let's try to use one of the predefined templates, so let's click Add Coin, select for example Ethereum, and choose Falcon 9. Every parameter is now set based on this template, and the only thing you need to do is to set position size. However, you can still change every parameter if you want. Let's click Save Configuration. And now, as you can see, you can apply that template to all the coins you already added, or apply it just for Ethereum, and this is what we choose. Once again, you need to activate the coin by clicking on Disabled. If you find out that your setting you did for Solana work great, you may want to apply them to another coins. If you click three dots in the top right corner of a coin, you can see there's option to duplicate it to another coin. For now, it's disabled because you need to save these settings as a new template. To do it, just click Edit Configuration, and here in Template section, you can click Save as My Template. Choose a name for it, and click Save. As you can see, Solana is now using Trading Template. Now you can go back to Settings, click three dots again, and now duplicate to another coin is available, so let's click it. Select another coin you want to add, for example Chainlink, and click Create Configuration. Let's go back to Settings, and you can see Chainlink is on the list with the trading template. You could also click Add Coin, select for example TRX, and here at the bottom you will find your template as well. Remember that you have to enable every coin now to make it work with auto trading. If you want to stop the auto trading, you can simply click on the master switch, which turns off all your active coins. So if you already know how to set a coin from the scratch, you could try to use one of the predefined templates from the dashboard as well. For now, there's two templates, Lunavio Go and Lunavio One, and more will be added in future. These templates work for the multiple coin at the same time. So let's click Launch for Lunavio One, and as you can see, 14 coins will be added to my account. 3 coins will be overwritten because we already have them with different settings, and 1 coin will stay untouched as it's not included in this template. Let's click I agree and continue, and here we can easily change a value for strategy deposit. As I don't want to change anything in here, it's time to change value for the position entry. Let's say I want to open position for $110 with 20x leverage. Now let's click Load Coins, and all of these coins are now added to our strategy. Now click Go to Auto Trading, and as you can see, just like before, as a confirmation that we know what we are doing, we need to manually enable each coin. You can also find Positions section in upper right corner, where you will see if you have any active position. There's also History tab where, as the name suggests, you will find history of all closed positions. I also encourage you to check out Tutorials section on a regular basis, as you may find much valuable knowledge in here. There's also Telegram section where you can join our Telegram group for free and talk to other users using Lunavio and share your experience. Telegram is also a great way to get support if you have any issues or questions. Trading cryptocurrencies, particularly with leverage, carries a high level of risk and may result in a loss of all invested capital. Lunavio's materials and features are provided for educational and informational purposes only and do not constitute investment advice or a recommendation. Past performance does not guarantee future results.